Also, let's shift our focus to other developments that are coming at this point of time. BJP MP Anurag Thakur has in fact reacted on the controversy surrounding Allu Arjun, saying at this point that coming out in support that some people are trying to pull down Telugu actors. He further also added that there should be efforts now coming in at this point of time, efforts to ensure the safety of actors instead of doing politics. Mehndi, now in fact a big statement has come in the midst of entire political controversy where now Allu Arjun, who was grilled for 3 hours, and now BJP MP Anurag Thakur has given out a big statement saying that in fact there should be arrangements and efforts to make sure that even actors are secure instead of the controversy and politics regarding every issue.
Well, indeed, Simran, BJP MP Anurag Thakur has came out in support of Pushpa 2 star Allu Arjun and suggested that some people are trying to tarnish the image of the Telugu actor. Although, the specifics of Anurag Thakur's statements are still unclear, but it's likely a response to the ongoing tensions between the Congress government in Telangana and the BJP also. And talking about Anurag Thakur's statement, then he specifically mentioned that the contribution of Telugu actors in the film industry is very large as of now, and they have put the film and Indian cinema on a global map. But some people are trying to pull them down on the floor mat. But also the BJP leader has reacted to the actions of the Telangana police against actor Allu Arjun after a stampede incident at a theatre during the premiere of the film Pushpa 2 The Rule. And also, Anurag Thakur has mentioned about Allu Arjun that he has also got the national awards in Narendra Modi's government. Chiranjeevi got the Lifetime Achievement Award, and their contribution has been appreciated by the whole country and the world also. And on the other hand, Anurag Thakur also mentioned that their films, whether it's RRR or KGF or Bahubali, all of them have brought the fame to Indian cinema. And Anurag Thakur has mentioned that creating controversy is not the solution of all this, but efforts should be made to have a dialogue and take care of the safety and not do politics with the actors also. And Anurag Thakur said these statements of, Congress leaders and MLAs in the state put question marks on the intention of the state government also. And Telangana Congress MLA Bhupati Reddy also issued a stern warning to actor Allu Arjun, threatening to, prevent the release of his films in the state unless he refrains from, making further comments about the chief minister. And also speaking at a public meeting, Reddy has also stated that Allu Arjun should respect his position as an actor and stay focused on his career. But right now, over this issue regarding Allu Arjun, both the parties are in front of each other and the blame game is happening. Yes, Amir.
All right, Mehndi, thank you for in fact